You can share a temporary code with someone who does not have a smartphone or only needs limited time access. In the app, select the lock you would like to provide access to from your lock list. Select Manage Lock. Under Settings, scroll down and select Send Temporary Code and choose either Existing Guest, Send from Contacts, or Send Manually. To send a temporary code manually, you can provide the guest's email address, SMS phone number, or both. Touch Continue. Verify the information is correct and then send a temporary code. Your guest will receive a text, email, or both with a temporary code, which will note when the code will expire. The temporary code is a series of up, down, left, and right directional movements they manually press on the lock keypad.